where you don't need batch plus prop stream it's not to pull data anyway. So you'll still need batch or prop stream, but not to text. Like I was saying, batch to text. But I'm saying you don't need batch to text. And then in addition, Podio to keep all your leads in one place. REI SIF just to update what phone numbers you done hit and what ones you haven't. I kind of do all of those things in New Realm and just use this software. It's much more streamlined, and I'm able to show my employees what to do all in one place without them having to have a bunch of logins and a bunch of mess. And it's easier to scale up what's not mess. And speaking of scale, that's another thing that I enjoy about New Realm is that it doesn't have limits. On the competitor software, you have limits sometimes. You can only do 1,000 texts in a day, for example, on certain softwares. But with New Realm, I can do as many checks as I set it to do. And because of the automation, I can handle that much volume without getting overwhelmed.